Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss: the wireless keyboard and mouse combo with 7 colored backlights. This combo offers a stunning 7-color backlighting option for the keyboard, adding a touch of style to your workspace. The mouse, on the other hand, boasts an impressive 15 switchable lighting effects, making it visually appealing. The clear light-up letters on the keyboard make it easy to use even in low-light conditions. This keyboard comes with a wrist rest and an ergonomic typing angle, providing excellent support for your wrists and reducing strain. The keyboard and mouse are designed to fit the natural contours of your hand, making long typing sessions comfortable. The mouse has a contoured shape and a soft rubber grip for all-day comfort. Both the keyboard and mouse are rechargeable, saving you money on batteries. With a full charge, they can last an impressive 24 months in standby mode, ensuring uninterrupted use. The smart energy-saving feature turns off the backlight after 90 seconds of non-use to save power. The keyboard comes with a built-in device holder, allowing you to place your phone or tablet for easy access while working. It keeps your desk organized and clutter-free, enhancing productivity. The keyboard and mouse have an anti-sweat, non-slip, and spill-resistant design for added durability. This combo uses 2.4 GHz wireless technology, ensuring a stable and reliable connection up to 33 feet away. The plug-and-play setup makes it incredibly easy to get started. Silent typing and clicking reduce noise, perfect for shared workspaces. The keyboard features a number keypad, 12 function keys, and 6 shortcut keys for increased efficiency. The mouse comes with 3 DPI settings and forward/backward buttons for quick web navigation. The product includes a free 1-year replacement warranty, providing peace of mind. If you encounter any issues, the manufacturer offers professional customer service available 24/7. In summary, the wireless keyboard and mouse combo with 7 colored backlights is a fantastic addition to any workspace. Its eye-catching design, ergonomic features, and long-lasting performance make it a top choice. Don't miss out on the convenience of the device holder and the silent typing experience. With a 1-year replacement warranty and reliable customer support, you can purchase with confidence. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative product reviews.